Anyako is one of the most beautiful communities in the Volta region with many natural and human resources. Anyako has produced many renowned and academicians as history recalls. Anyako is known to have a beautiful culture, a lowland as well as a lagoon. A lowland is often a flat or gently sloping and may be adjacent to a body of water, such as a sea, lake, or river. The lowlands in Anyako are often fertile and suitable for agriculture in terms of crop productions. The community is surrounded by a vast lowland and serene lagoon. The main activities that take place in Anyako is farming, fishing, and effective education. Here is a young boy walking in the lagoon hunting for fishes. In Anyako, it is not easy to locate trees. So due to that, the weather temperature rises high. Though it is difficult at times when we come to the lagoon to fish. Normally, when the lagoon comes more, it makes the fingerlings or the fishes run into a very far place. But at times, when the water is drawing back, it gives us opportunity to catch as many as fishes we can. According to the boy, he does come here at his leisure time, not every day. When it is school time, he goes to school. But when it is Saturday or weekends, he comes to the fishing. What is this dog looking for in the lagoon? It is simply looking for fingerlings to feed on. The lagoon looks so transparent. Even if you stand by it, you could see fingerlings. Many of the fishermen who could not go to fishing today, on this very day, have packed all their canoes in the lagoon. Even though many buildings in Anyako struggle to withstand the nature of the soil type, but they still make their livelihood out of everything through this lagoon and every activity that they partake in, that is farming and quality education. The journey to Anyako shows how the relationship with nature can inspire actions and foster a deeper appreciation for the beauty and significance of these unique environments.